Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to print your entire Google Sheet workbook. So as you can see here, I'm in this document and I have multiple sheets here, right? So you can choose a specific sheet if you want to print. So for example, if I click on this sheet here or this sheet here, I can simply click on the print icon here at the top and it's going to print only to this specific sheet. Now, what if I want to print the entire workbook? I can also do it. You take the same steps, click on print, and from here, you want to look to the upper right hand side where it says print, it says current sheet, switch that to workbook. And you can see that it takes the entire workbook page by page, page by page. So you can go ahead and you can go through this and you can print this. Keep in mind that once you select this as well, you can always go ahead and make modifications to this. So even though you choose the entire workbook, let's say I don't even want to choose or to start from page 1, you can choose the selected pages. So you can even go through and select different pages from here, and you can just go through. So the first page was basically the setup. So I can uncheck this, click on apply, and you can see that it disappeared, right? So you can go through and you can make changes. So you can always go ahead and modify whatever you want and choose whatever page you want. It's really up to you how you want to do that. But that's it. That's how you go ahead and print your entire workbook. All you have to do, just simply click on next, and it's going to take you over to this section here where you can just simply select your printer and simply click on print, and you'll be able to print the workbook. And that's it.